Today I'll be showing you my easy 10-minute quick blowout, and this is the hair look that I gravitate towards, especially after I wash my hair. I'm getting ready before an event. It's super easy and I can't wait to show you. After I get out the shower, I apply my It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In conditioner all over, and especially my ends. On top, I apply this It's a 10 Miracle Blow Dry Volumizer, and I spray it all over, but I do make sure I spray the roots pretty well. My hair is now, I would say, 90% dry. I am going to be applying my Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray, and this is a UV and heat protectant. Spritz that all over. Now I'm going to just blow dry my hair roughly, like on the tops of my head. Now I would say 95% dry. For the second tool I'll be using is a barrel, and I'll be using the bigger one out of the two in the Dyson. Attach it on, and then for settings I'm going to use the highest heat and the medium fan. I'm going to do 3 sections for the hair and how I curl them. I'll also be taking sections pretty thin. The middle section, I like to curl it outwards to create more volume and bounce. Hold it there for a second and then just drop downward. As you can kind of see, I like to leave like this much of my hair alone, especially when I'm working at the bottom. The back section will go inwards. Hold it there for a second and then drop this section outwards. Curled up here, so I'm keeping the length as well. And I'm going to go on to the next section, which I will take from starting with my brows and kind of go upwards at a slant. I split the section into 2 on each side. As you can see, it's pretty thin to where I will do another sandwich. So for this piece, we'll go inwards, middle section outwards, and then the last one is gonna be inwards. Hold it there for a second and drop. Section is going to be different. First piece is going to go outwards, and then next one inwards, and then outwards. I'm also going to curl the front pieces outwards. And kind of curl outwards like that to create like a swoop. is the styling drops, and I'll be using this JVN Nourishing Shine Drops. I'm just gonna put maybe 2-3 drops and then run it all over my hair. This is the finished blowout look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!